Hey, what's going on? It's Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. We're here with another 3-minute guitar lesson because nobody wants a 4-minute lesson. Today we're going to look at Buddy Holly's Every Day. What an amazing song. So we're going to learn the beginner version here. It's only got a few chords at the beginning, a couple more thrown in the chorus. I think you're going to love it. I think you're going to do great. All right, let's just quit yapping. Let's get right to it. Buddy Holly, ready? We got a D major shape, but we've got the capo on the first fret. So put your capo on the first fret and play a D major. So even though we're one step up, I'm going to call all these the chords that you're playing. So a D major to a G, that's a G major, to an A major. You do that 3 times. And Buddy Holly does a lot of downstrokes. G, A, D, G, A, and then it goes like this. D, G, D, A. And it does it again. D, and I do some palm muting here. D, G, A, D, G, A, and this time it goes D, G, back to D. And that brings us into the chorus. So he does a G major right here. This when he says every day seems a little longer. So a G major to a C major to an F major. Great chord, F major. Now we're going to do this. It's really an A sharp according to where we're playing here. It's a bar chord. So you basically want to play a A sharp, meaning if this is where we're going to end up in a second, the A major, like that. So you go. I use my thumb, but you can bar it like this. Okay, so then you end up in the A major, and then back to the D. So I'll play the whole chorus again. Ready? G, C, we're going to F major, and now that bar chord, again I'm doing this, to A major, and then you go back to the D major. It's really that simple. And that's all Buddy Holly does, goes into another verse, another chorus like that, and you saw me occasionally, instead of the downstrokes, I go stroke right there with the hand, and also you can mix in some palm muting again and let some higher strings ring out. Adds a bit of expression and beauty to it. So that's Buddy Holly's Every Day in under 3 minutes. Let me know how you did in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time.